Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations.
Today, we're diving into the world of home theater with a product that's revolutionizing how we experience entertainment right in our living rooms. Get ready to elevate your movie nights with the best 4K projector screen paint available in the market.
Introducing the Paint on Screen Projector Screen Paint.
Specifically engineered to transform any surface into a stunning high-definition projection screen.
Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gaming fanatic, or a sports lover, this product is about to take your viewing experience to the next level. Let's talk about what makes this projector screen paint stand out from the rest. First off, it boasts a level 2 shade with a 1.4 gain, ensuring absolute clarity and brightness for your images. With its absolute neutral color shift, you'll experience true-to-life colors without any distortions. Now, you might be wondering how easy it is to apply this magical paint.
Well, let me tell you, it's a breeze.
Simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided, and you'll have your very own custom-sized projection screen in no time. Plus, it's washable, so maintenance is a piece of cake.
So, why should you choose paint on screen over traditional projector screens? Well, for starters, it offers superior contrast and visual depth compared to vinyl or material screens. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, allowing you to create a custom-sized screen that fits your space perfectly.
And there you have it, folks.
The Paint on Screen Projector Screen Paint is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to create a jaw-dropping home theater experience. Say goodbye to bulky screens and hello to seamless, cinema-quality visuals right in your own home.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy watching.